step outside and seize the day now. Set aside your worries, it's okay now. The sun is here to stay. Blue sky.
Hello and welcome to Newport News Public Library. I'm Miss Jackie, and today, as part of the summer reading STEM programming, I'll be talking about clouds and making a cloud in a jar. So to understand what a cloud is and how it is formed, we need to understand the 4 stages of the water cycle. But what exactly is the water cycle, you ask? The water cycle is a process that recirculates water so that we can have oceans, lakes, and rivers, and it also helps in the production of clouds, snow, and rain. In the evaporation stage, water in our oceans, lakes, and rivers is heated by the sun. The heated water rises into the atmosphere and then changes into a gas. This gas is known as water vapor. During the condensation stage, water droplets or ice crystals mix with dirt, dust, or pollen, which is in the atmosphere. The droplets then mix together and they become larger and larger until they form clouds. Clouds can be grouped into 4 main types. The cumulus cloud happens to be my personal favorite and can be seen on a nice day. Next, there's the stratus cloud. The word stratus means layered. Stratus clouds hang low. Sometimes they hang so low they touch the ground, which is known as fog. The third type of cloud is the cirrus cloud. Cirrus clouds are thin clouds made of ice crystals rather than water droplets. They form very high in the sky where it is cold. The 4th type of cloud is the Nimbus Cloud. Nimbus clouds are thick, dark, and gray. They consist of water droplets that produce either rain or snow. So now that we've learned a few facts about clouds, we're going to make a cloud in a jar. So in order to do this experiment, you'll need a jar with a lid, and you'll need hot water and ice cubes and hairspray. So pour the water into the jar, then add some hairspray, and then quickly put the top on it and add your ice cubes. So in this experiment, the water acts as the water that's heated by the sun, that's in the lakes and the rivers, and the hairspray will act as the dirt, dust, and pollen in the atmosphere. And so as the hot water rises, it changes into water vapor, and then you have the ice cubes represent the cool air in the atmosphere that causes the condensation. So after a few minutes, a cloud will develop. So we're just going to wait for a few minutes. Okay, and then when we take the lid off, you can kind of see the leaving it a little better. There's a cloud in the jar. If you haven't already done so, please sign up for the Summer Reading Challenge so that you can find out more about the secret life of books.